Okay, we're here, about to leave in the Honda Ridgeline for the first time. Are you excited, Easton?
Yes.
Okay, you know, he's actually excited. He got a haircut for this trip. And we're loading up the Ridgeline right now. We'll show a time lapse of that.
It's called the
Ridgeline, bro.
Okay, go in there.
This is our Ridgeline. We got our own custom rack on there with their Smitty built tent. Some traction boards, mainly for leveling, not really for going crazy off-road. And yeah, we're excited to have the Ridgeline and feel blessed to have it. We got some water containers on the side, and we got to load everything up. So we'll put you on time lapse. Bye. Ezra, say hi.
What are you saying about my flex?
Nothing. You got your radio?
Radio.
Ezra, you got your radio?
Ezra, you get to use your
Ezra's being shy, which is abnormal. Got him. You ready to go, dude?
Yeah.
Truck's all loaded?
Yeah.
Thanks. Here at the campsite. Yeah. You ready, Easton? Camping Pro?
It's not fun in the car.
No, it's not fun in the car. Are you ready? Did you have a chocolate cookie? Yes?
No.
You didn't?
No.
Why are you feeling so shy?
He wanted to keep it a secret.
Can I have a kiss?
No.
I'm coming for a kiss. Here, a little windy. Got the Honda Ridgeline all hooked up with the Overlander XL. Yeah, no worries. See you guys. Outdoor kitchen here, which works good. From Cabela's, folds up, goes into a bag. Good, nice drying rack there. This can lift up and be a sink. Got some utensils there. There's our Rotopack with the spigot on there. Works great. We'll set up some solar string lights under there, and we're having a good time.
Want me to bring you guys in the tent?
You want a tent tour?
There's like windows around here. You can just show me what I can do, but I'm gonna show you what you do. What's up in things. So there's a window there. That's where you come inside. There's a ladder down there. What's the play? There's Mom. Easter, what's play? There's like a window there and a window there. This is the window we came in. There's like window up windows.
Yeah, there we go. Climbing.
You
Good
want-
buddies, them?
Mommy, you
You
love
should
caramel?
have one marshmallow on fire. Then you will love it.
Oh, Mom's got it. Oh, we're having dinner here. You guys excited for shish kebab?
I'm getting so much more.
Whoa. This is West Beach. We were at East Beach yesterday. We'll rate the beaches and find out the best beach in town. How's the floating going?
It's really good. No, Chuck! I said that. I'm taking stuff to see it. Money.
Oh, do you want to come down? What do you say? Please come down from the tent. Can you wave nice to the camera and I'll say love you.
I love you. Hey guys, can I tell you something? I had a stuffy named Double, and he was a Blue Jay stuffy, and I gave it to Ezra, and he named it. What is its name? Fanny. Fanny.
Mmm, tasty it is.
Juicy. Hey guys, we're getting some food ready. We're making French toast, and we're gonna eat it in our tongue.
Come to benches.
I don't know what we're doing though, but we're eating it. Like,
Okay, here we're at Birds Hill Campground, and we're just about to leave. Ezra, can I have a big kiss? Come on, give me a big kiss. Mwah! Okay, bye-bye, Birds Hill.